He kicked his little blanket off.
It's okay. Yes.
What?
Steven, come here.
Come on.
Come here.
What's up?
He's got your ears.
He's got Sarah's ears.
He's got your ears.
Sarah's got the pointy ears like that.
So do you.
Oh, pointy ears.
Oh my goodness, he's mad. Honey.
The first thing I said when he came out is he's got pointy ears like you.
Stay on your tummy for a minute.
Get all that extra flesh.
Everything's all red.
He's pretty worked up.
Oh, baby, it's okay.
So you ever had a child enjoy this?
No, never. Never.
Never.
Never.
You misunderstand. This is him enjoying it. Wait till he gets mad.
They don't call him Johnny Danger.
Oh, Bubbly Bear.
That's what girl said when she saw the picture. She said, "He looks mad. You should put him back in."